So in this video, we are going to learn how to download Instagram Reels and upload on Dropbox. Let's say you are constantly posting some new Reels on your Instagram profile and you want to download those Reels and upload them on Dropbox as a backup. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So in this automation, as a new Reel will be posted on your Instagram account, automatically the same Reel will be downloaded and uploaded on your Dropbox folder as well. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this kind of automation, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Instagram profile for my business. Now I want that whenever a new reel is posted on my Instagram account, I want to download that same reel and upload that reel on my Dropbox folder as well, just to create a backup. And to do this, we have to connect Instagram with Dropbox. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. Now to access Pabbly Connect, just go to a new tab and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you will reach to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. After coming to this landing page, you can see two options. First one is sign up free and second one is sign in. Now here on sign up free, by clicking on this, you can just create your free Pabbly account in 2 minutes. Or if you are an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. So I will just sign into my own Pabbly account. And after signing in, you will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here you just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And after clicking on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on create workflow button and give this workflow a name. So I would like to name my workflow as Instagram Reels to Dropbox. And after that, just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this automation workflow and click on create. Now as we click on create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Instagram account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever we are going to upload or post a new reel on Instagram, automatically the details of that same post, the same reel will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. After that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to download that reel and upload that same reel on our Dropbox account as well. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window, in Choose App, search for Instagram for Business in the trigger step. After selecting Instagram for Business in trigger event from the dropdown, select the trigger event as New Media Posted in My Account. After selecting a trigger event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Instagram for Business account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Instagram for Business button. Now here you can see, because we have already logged into our Instagram account in our browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account and make the connection. And the connection between Instagram for Business and Pabbly Connect happens via Facebook account. So you have to ensure that your Instagram page, your Instagram business profile is connected with your Facebook account. Let me show you. I'll just go to the More section and go to Settings. And here under Meta Account Center, you will notice that my Instagram profile is connected with my Facebook account as well and with a Facebook page. So it is necessary to connect to your Instagram account to your Facebook page before connecting it with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, here in Instagram account to use, by default it has selected my Instagram profile. Now after this, when we will click on this Save and Send Test Request button, immediately it will get the details, the data of the last post, the most recent post which we have shared on Instagram. So what we are going to do, I'm just going to post a reel on my Instagram profile. I'll just click on this Create button. So I'll just upload a reel from my computer. This is the video. Let's open it. And after opening it, let me just adjust it over here to original. Let's click on next. And then here, let's add a caption. So I'll add this caption over here. Gaze upon the breathtaking sunset vista from the coastline. And after adding the caption, just click on share. So as we click on share, here you can see, just now I have posted a reel on my Instagram profile and the post is successfully shared. I'll just refresh my Instagram page once. And here you will notice that the reel is posted over here. In the reel section, you can see this. Now we'll get back to our Pabbly Connect workflow and click on Save and Send Test Request. Now as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And in this response, you will get the details of the last post, the most recent post which we have made just now. Here you can see the username of our Instagram profile. Here you can see the type of media that we have posted, that is video. And also we have this response of media product type, that is Reels. Then after that, we have the media URL, and here you can see we have the link of the video file of the reel which we have posted. We will just copy this link from here and paste it in a new tab. And after pasting it, here you can notice that this is the exact same reel which we have posted just now. Then here we have the link of the Instagram post as well. We have the permanent link for it, and after opening this link, the Instagram post will open in front of us. We'll scroll down further. Here you can see the thumbnail URL. You can see the caption which we have added in this post. And also at last, you can see the timestamp, that at what date and time this Instagram reel was posted. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully received the details of the new reel which we have posted on our Instagram profile in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now here, using this particular trigger, it will capture the response of each and every post from our Instagram account. But using this automation, let's say we only want to upload the reels on our Dropbox account. So here in the response, you can see we have received this response of media product type reel. Now if we post a photo or a video, then we'll get the media product type as image or photo or video. Now what we are going to do, to ensure that using this automation, only the reels from our Instagram profile are uploaded on Dropbox, we are going to set up a filter condition. For that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in Choose App, select Filter. After selecting Filter, here in the action event from the dropdown, select the action event as Filter Values. Then just click on Connect. And after clicking on Connect, it is asking us to select the label. Now here in select label, we have to select this particular label on which we want to set up the filter condition. That is media product type. And this filter type or this label will be equals to reels. So we are going to select the same label over here. Now to select the label, just click on this field, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses of a new post which we have received from Instagram inside Pabbly Connect. Out of all of these responses, select this label of res1 media product type. The filter type will be equals to, and the value will be reels. So what we have done, we have set up a filter condition that if we get the response of media product type equals to reels, only in that case the automation workflow will continue further and upload this reel video on our Dropbox account. If we get any other type of media, or if we share any other type of post other than reels on Instagram, in that case, using this automation, we are not going to upload the media file of that post on Dropbox. Let's say if we post an image, then we are going to get image over here in this value. And in that case, we are not going to upload that image in Dropbox because we are just setting up this automation for reels. Now, if you want to set up this automation for all kind of Instagram posts, you can avoid using this filter in your automation workflow. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And the response shows that the condition is true. This means we have received the response of media product type as reels, as you can see over here in the trigger response. Now after this, let's move to the final step where we are going to upload our Instagram reel on Dropbox. For that, just click on this Add Action Step button over here. And then here in Choose App, search for Dropbox. Just select it. After selecting Dropbox in action event from the dropdown, select the action event as Upload File. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Dropbox account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Connect with Dropbox button. Now because we have already logged into a Dropbox account in our browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account and make the connection. After connecting our Dropbox account with Pabbly Connect, the first thing it asks us is the file URL. So we have to enter the publicly accessible URL of the file which we want to upload. So we have received the media URL of our Instagram reel in our trigger step responses. And from here, from Instagram responses, we are going to map this response of media URL over here in this Dropbox action step. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of file URL, and here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the responses from previous two steps, from Instagram for Business step and from Filter step as well. Now from the responses of Instagram, we are going to select the response of media URL and it will be mapped. In this way, whatever reel we are going to post on our Instagram profile, the details of the same reel will be received inside Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. And using Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send media URL, the same media URL, to Dropbox as well. After that, it is asking us for the file name, and we have to enter the file name with the proper extension. Now, in the responses which we have received from Instagram, you can use anything as per your file name. Either if you want, you can just use the ID over here, or what you can do, you can use the caption as the file name too, or you can use the timestamp too, anything as per your choice. I would like to use the timestamp as the file name, and after file name, we also have to add the proper file extension. So what we are going to do, I'll just map the response of file name over here as timestamp. So I want that the date and time at which the reel is posted on my Instagram account, we are getting that response, and I want to add that response as the file name. And here it is saying us that we have to enter the proper file extension. Now our Instagram reels are obviously going to be videos which will be MP4 files. So after mapping the name of your choice, we have to write .mp4 over here manually. After entering the file name with proper extension, here it is asking us for the folder path, that in which particular folder in our Dropbox account we want to upload this Instagram reel. So there is a folder named as Instagram Reels which I have created in my Dropbox account. So here we have to enter the path of this same folder. We'll just copy the folder name over here and paste it over here. And before that, we are going to enter a slash. Now, if you have created any subfolder in this folder as well, now here in this section of Dropbox, you will get the complete folder path. Just copy that folder path from here and paste it over here as mentioned in the help text, that we have to enter slash folder name, or after slash, we have to enter the folder path over here. After entering all of these details and mapping the file URL, just click on Save and Send Test Request. As you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we are going to receive some response over here. And yes, here you can see we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the media URL which we have mapped over here, basically the reel which was posted on our Instagram profile, we have successfully downloaded that reel and uploaded that reel on our Dropbox account as well. So let's check it. We will go to Dropbox, and yes, here on Dropbox you can see we have the exact same reel over here. We'll just open this reel, just try to play this reel, and here you can see this is the same reel which we have added or posted on our Instagram profile. And you can see the exact same file name too. We have the same file name, we have the timestamp that at what date and time this reel was posted. Now instead of timestamp, if you want to, as I told you, you can use caption or post ID too from the trigger responses of a new post which we have received from Instagram in the trigger step. So in this way, you can set up this kind of automation workflow where using which, whenever you are going to post a new reel on Instagram, automatically within few minutes, the same reel will be downloaded and uploaded on our Dropbox folder. Now after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once. For that, I'll go back to my Instagram profile and we are going to create or post a new reel over here. I'll just select the reel file from here. Here it is. And after that, I'll just select original and click on next. Now let's add the caption over here. The caption is, for example, we are testing this automation. This is the caption, just a dummy caption which I'm adding. Let's click on share. Now as you click on share, here you can see this reel is shared. This reel is posted on my Instagram profile. And here it is done. We will just refresh our Instagram page. And here is the reel. Now, as I post this reel, we will see within 10 minutes, the same reel will be uploaded in my Dropbox account. Now, it basically takes 10 minutes of time because the connection between Instagram for Business and Pabbly Connect is a polling-based connection. And in this type of connection, Pabbly Connect will check for new posts, new reels or media on our Instagram profile every 10 minutes. So let's wait for 10 minutes over here. Okay, so we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now we will just go to our Dropbox account, and yes, the exact same reel which we have just now posted on our Instagram profile is now uploaded on our Dropbox account automatically. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation for absolutely free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.